A sticker sheet is perhaps one of the most custom yet economical gifts that you can give to your friends or clients. For example, this sheet, it's A5 in size, contains multiple stickers and it costs around 25 rupees per sheet. Moreover, these stickers can be cut in any shape you want. Each sheet contains multiple designs, and if you see, each design has a different shape. We have to cut the sticker as per the shapes defined here to match the artwork of the original print. So if you're looking to order custom printed stickers, here is a behind the scenes video of how these sticker sheets get manufactured in a print shop. Once you give your artwork to the print shop, they print it on their high resolution digital printing press. Once the artwork is ready, you send it over to a digital printing press for further processing. This is a digital printing press, and its one job is to reproduce your design files at an extremely high resolution with vibrant colors. A good print shop stocks a variety of sticker media. For example, you can choose to print your sticker job or artwork on this metallic silver sticker, this gold finish sticker media, maybe a non-tearable plastic sticker or a regular paper sticker. Step 1 is for the printer to print your job on a media of your choice. But remember, this is still a full large size sticker sheet. We still have to cut out the individual designs of your artwork. And so we head over to the cutting machine. Now remember that we had also defined the cut lines for our artwork. That cut path is loaded on our cutting machine, and what this machine does is it takes a blade and cuts our large sticker sheets in the shape that has been defined in the cut path. So our artwork is now cut in the shape of the design. The final step is for us to cut this large sized print into individual sticker sheets. And so we head over to the cutting machine. And that's it. Your A5 sticker sheet order is ready to ship. For more such printing solutions, do follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.